Hey, Girls with Grit. I wanted to share with you how to make a super fast graphic for the upcoming launches. So I go into Canva and I pick something I like. Doesn't need to have the photos I like in it, just if I like the fonts, the layout, etc. I picked this little colorful Easter egg one, and instead of, oops, let's just start from here. Um, so there's the Easter egg one. I can upload photos by clicking my Seiko file, finding my summer collection launch, and then dragging some photos over. So I'm going to drag that one. I think that one's cute. Um, this one's cute for the kiddos. Let's see. And since this is the Mother's Day one, I really don't want any of the other summer stuff. So I'm going to just focus on the t-shirts. And we need a good up close of that mama necklace because the one in here, it's hard to see. So I think that's good for now. I'll work with those. So I'm going to close that out, and basically I just drag this over, and that's so cute, but it's kind of covering their faces, so I'm not sure if I want to use that one. Yeah, and that's covering the littles' faces too. And something like this, something like with no faces is kind of good, um, because you see the product, but the faces aren't competing with the text. So that's what I like about that one. A more detailed shot is usually good with text overlaid on it, unless there's a lot of space, like in these photos, there's space for text as well. So I would just say today at 1 o'clock, or maybe even erase that. I don't necessarily think I need that. But I do want to move this text upward since I did delete the other one. And then I might just say seikodesigns.com/Michelle_Davis. And I kind of want it all on one line. So one thing I can do is ungroup these. They're all grouped together. And I can delete the one I'm not using. And I can pull this out from side to side to make it all on one line. And that might be a little too long. You can work with the line spacing, that's the line height, but it's the letter spacing that you could work with. I like it wider. I think it looks classier that way, but maybe I would just change like the font size. So when I do that, and then you can, now that they're ungrouped, move this all around. And this is telling you when you drag it that it's in the middle. So the purple line, violet line's telling you you've got it centered. But if you want it centered the other way, you would look for the horizontal violet line. So that's centered, but I'm thinking I like my link up a little bit higher. So I'm looking for that middle violet line. Then I might nudge it with my arrows. I like being able to see the little bracelet on the model. So that's how I would do a quick one. Another thing to know is you can duplicate this page and say you want to do summer launch day because you want to get your people hyped. Kind of like the sound of that. I might not do an exclamation. And then I would pick, there was a good one I liked of this model, and I just love all the stuff in this picture that she's wearing too. And I think that works because her face is kind of in there. You can adjust where she goes, but I like how she's framed in the box with the text, and the text isn't over her face. So that's what I would do for two quick graphics for your VIP group, for Facebook, for Instagram, for all the things. Hope that helped you. Just upload photos. I don't know if I showed you that, but it's super easy. Uploading photos, you just find wherever you downloaded your photos, and then you would just add that, like by dragging it over to uploads. So it's so easy, and then you can drag things over or not. It's really easy to work with. Then when you download, do a PNG. I do the highest size just so it's really good, clear graphics and like your text is crisp. And then you just press download, and then you have your images in your download folder on your computer. All right, happy designing. Let me know what you post. Share it in the comments. I'd love to see what you ladies come up with on your own. Okay, bye for now.